more sales over those months, right? So that's why they're putting the Christmas things out early. I was at Sam's Club the other day, and they had all their Christmas trees and decorations and gifts and all sorts of things already out. It was October, but they had started earlier than that. And when would we put out back to school supplies? I think we would put those out. Anyone can jump in.
At the end of summer vacation.
Okay. Would we wait until the last week of August?
No, because all the good stuff will be gone.
Okay, so when would we put it out? When would we start supplying?
At the beginning of August.
Beginning of August? Has anyone ever seen back to school items in the stores sooner than August?
I've seen them on July 4th.
Okay, so there you go. So they start to supply them right in the beginning or the middle of summer and start reminding us that we have to go back to school and we need to buy these products. All right, so that's our time utility. The next utility, who wants to give me another utility?
Yes.
Information.
Information. Okay, so talk to me about information utility.
It's giving customers the information they want.
Okay, such as? What type of information?
Like if you have a
Jacob.
What?
I said it.
You're doing great. Just let her finish answering, okay? You're doing great. I just want to hear from someone else here real quick. Okay, who said information utility?
Jaden.
Jaden. Okay, thanks, Jaden. So what can you tell me about information utility?
It's like a salesperson or like labeling on a package.
Labeling on a package, yes. So what types of labels would we be looking for?
Like if someone has an allergy, it will say.
Yeah, if someone has an allergy to something, right? So you're going to look at the contents or the ingredients of a package, the nutritional labels, and use something safely and properly. That would be your information utility. Awesome job, Jaden. Okay. So let's get the third utility from Javon Jones. Javon.
Is it possession?
Very good. Possession is one. Can you talk to me about possession, please?
Okay. It's like, I don't know how to explain it.
That's okay. Do your best. It doesn't have to be in exact words. Do you understand it?
Let's see. Possession.
What does the word for
it's like, I guess, like, you know, to have, or like if something is kind of like valuable in a way.
Okay, I like the word to have, all right? So when we put possession utility together with the fact that we're having something, what does this mean? Need some help from?
Wait, could you repeat that again? I didn't really hear it.
Well, you actually said it. I asked you about possession utility, and you said is like to have something, and I said that's correct. So what would possession utility mean?
I guess if someone like has something, then like, I guess if someone has like a specific thing, like the like value of like that product.
Okay, so you're using utility to come up with the word. I like that. Remember I mentioned that possession increases when food restaurants started accepting debit and credit cards?
Yeah.
Okay, so when a customer buys the product, they take possession. So you kind of had it right. I was just waiting for you to say who took possession and that sort of thing. So possession utility takes place when the customer actually buys the product, and it increases, possession actually increases through debit and credit cards because people might want to use credit because they don't have the cash, or a layaway. Remember we talked about Walmart having a layaway plan? You can make small payments on something. That actually helps people take possession of it. Okay? All right. So we've done information, time, and possession utility. We have 2 more to cover. Mitchell. Mitchell, can you give me utility? Turn your microphone on. Is there someone that can help? I need another utility.
Form utility?
Okay, Jacob, what is form utility? What's form utility?
Of how the product is shaped and how you can use it.
Okay. So can you give me an example?
Like form utility would be like how scrubbing bubbles is meant to clean sinks.
Not quite. Form utility starts with a raw product and we turn it into something useful. Can you give me an example?
How you take a tree and turn it into a piece of paper.
There you go, bingo. That's the answer I was looking for. We have 1 utility left. Covered form utility, information utility, time utility, and possession. We have 1 left. Who thinks they know that last one?
Possession.
We did possession.
Oh, okay.
Yep, we did form, information, time, and possession. 1 left.
Place.
Who said place?
Antonio.
Antonio, very good. Can you talk to me about place utility?
Isn't it when you have products where the customers can get it, like that's not hard?
Absolutely.
Like a drive-through or something?
Yeah, exactly. That's a very good example, a drive-through. Yep. Are there any other examples of place utility that you could think of?
Like having chips at the cash register. It's like it's easy to get.
You know, it's funny that you bring that up. Anybody in here, do you know it's called when they have all the candy and gum and all that stuff right next to the cash register?
Isn't that
Actual name for it. I know you're saying it's utility. It adds to the customer to have it right by the register. They have a unique name that we haven't covered yet. A very unique name for those items right next to the cash register. Anyone want to take a guess? A little fun fact.
cash grab?
That's a good one. Cash grab, that's a good one. Go ahead. Those are actually called impulse items because you impulsively buy them. So, for example, let's say you went to the gas station to get gas. You go in to pay for your gas. Right there at the cash register, they have gum, and you're like, oh, yeah, I could use some gum in your car. So, you have some gum in your car and chomp away while you're driving, right? It's an impulse item. You didn't go there for the gum, you went there for the gas. So, they call those impulse items. All right, so just a quick review. We do have the 7 functions of marketing and the 5 utilities quiz. So there's going to be 12 multiple choice questions. I will put up a Kahoot review, and you can use it to review anytime between later on today and before the quiz. Okay? You don't have any homework this weekend. Nothing for you to work on. You can take a look at the lesson plans in the lesson plan folder to see what else you need to get done. And I guess that's really it. Before we go, though, we do need, we still have 4 minutes. Okay, so let's continue. I have some other things. I messed up on the time because we're on the new schedule today. Let's go back to this one because we struggled on this one. The marketing concept. What is the marketing concept?
To sell stuff and get
Marketing.
money.
No, that's close, but what's the exact term?
To make the customer happy and make a profit.
Very good. Okay, satisfying the customer's wants and needs while making a profit. That is known as the marketing concept, and we need to make sure we know that one too. It's not on the quiz, but it will be on the unit test. Okay, so you need to make sure that you know that. Eric, can you give me an example of a service? Eric?
A cleaning service, maybe?
Very good. Cleaning service. I like it. Okay. So how about Alyssa Whidbey? Alyssa, can you tell me what is pricing? How about Rebecca? No, not Rebecca. Caleb Tackett. What is pricing? Caleb Tackett, I still see you in there. Who wants to jump in and help so we can get a few more done? What is pricing?
It is decisions made on how much to change for goods and services in order to make a profit.
Very good. Yeah, it's a decision on pricing. You might want to price it up so that you can cover your cost of distribution and making the product. You might want to offer an employee discount. You might want to mark it down for a sale. Awesome job. So that's pricing. One of the tough ones that we talked about was market planning. Can we try market planning again? Who thinks they can tackle market planning? This will be the last one. Brooke Goodrow, do you know what market planning is?
It's the concepts and strategies used to develop and target specific marketing strategies to a select audience.
To a select audience. Okay, so can you put that in your own words for me? What do you think that means?
Like making a new product or something to go to like a specific group of people.
Yeah, to a specific group of people. And the example that we just had earlier was when we talked about the running shorts, right? That was in the placing your functions. So that's good. Market planning. That was the tough one, and you tackled that one. So as I promised, that was the last one that we were going to review today. I will put up the Kahoot for you. I hope everyone has a safe and enjoyable weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful tomorrow. Enjoy the weather. All right? Have a good weekend, guys.
Miss Barlage,
Yeah.